Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got a Shirogorov box, which is brown, not black, which means, yeah, I got a special edition right over here. And I got the F3 Aquatic on this table right here. Would you look at this beauty right here? It's amazing. You know what? You can look also Fablades.com and see what is going on there, and maybe at Fablades on Instagram, see what is up. This guy comes with the Shiro cloth, of course, with the certificate of authenticity right over here, and of course as a nice bead with the aquatic theme going on. Yes, because that's the F3 Aquatic right over here. Look at this. Huh? That's pretty nice. Probably, I would say we are getting even closer to the custom division lineup, of course, like for the F3. You know, we have the F3NS, which is probably, I would say, my favorite to date. Custom division together with the Hattie Magnetic F5 Silk. Yeah, I mean, they do amazing stuff, but still, this is the custom division version of the F3NS, right? And this is the production version, but getting very close. Like, for example, in this case, we got pivot collars for the first time on a production line, and this is, I mean, a special edition, but still, we have pivot collars. This is a deep sea technocarbo set of scales, which are mesmerizing to look at. Look at the shimmering colors and the blue going on, of course, aquatic theme. You have a blue anodized backspacer, blue anodized pocket clip matching the pivot collars, and the anodization on the bead, of course, with the water waves kind of pattern going on. Another very cool feature is the steel employed over here, which is Vanax 37 steel. So pretty much stainless, corrosion, rust, kind of resistant kind of steel. Love it. It's not unusual to see the Vanax 37 in some custom division knives. Very uncommon maybe on the production, but still you can find, of course, some production F95s, for example, in Vanax 37. So that's the good Vanax 37, not the 35. That's a very amazing, especially for like humid environment steel. And that is why the theme, the aquatic theme, of course, because of the steel employed, the blue color, the bead, it's just a fantastic production knife, guys. I'm not just gonna, waste too much of your time. I just wanted to just share my impressions and see some, close-up, show some close-ups to you, just to enjoy this gorgeous one. Just fantastic. The action, it's like classic. Of course, there's a detent ball ramp, and you can notice it because, like, right over here, look, so smooth, and it's well made, because that is the angle you reach when the ball pretty much hits the steeper ramp, and then you encounter a little bit more resistance up to this kind of point, and then just smoothly it just goes into the handle like that. Is like this smooth. I mean, fantastic, gorgeous knife. There you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.